I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, and today I have with me Sales Director Sean Hitchcock. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ringba's voicemail management. Sean, how do voicemails work with Ringba's IVR Builder, and how do they improve customer experience?
Hey Jordan, one of Ringba's most simple features is its voicemail feature functionality, and it's used by a ton of clients in the home services space. Let me show you why it's valuable. Our voicemail capability is super simple, but very effective for a lot of people that may not be on the computer out in the field, and they need to re-engage their caller or customer at any time. We use an IVR to do this. That way you can have a voicemail node or a point in the call, any point in the call, for the caller to leave a voicemail. So hypothetically speaking, if someone were to call in and they press 1 to contact sales, but guess what? They're not there, so we dial sales, they don't answer. When they don't answer, we give them the option to leave a voicemail. When this happens in reporting, they'll have a line item that has that recording. They can re-engage the caller and call them back at any time.
Thanks, Sean. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.